In today's video, I'll show you how to apply custom conditional formatting in Google Sheets. This is a super powerful tool that makes your data easier to read, spot patterns instantly, and even manage to-do lists more effectively. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open Google Sheets by logging into your Google account. You can either start with a fresh blank sheet if you're just beginning, or open an existing one if you want to enhance the data you're already working with. Once you have your sheet open, select the cells you want to format. This could be a single cell or an entire range. For example, if you want to highlight A2 through A10, simply click and drag to select that range. Next, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, and this is where all the magic happens. Inside this panel, look for Format Cells If and choose Custom Formula in She. This option gives you full flexibility to apply rules based on another cell. In the text box, type your formula carefully so it matches the condition you want. Don't worry if you're new to formulas, it just takes a little practice, and once you get it right, your data will work exactly how you need. Now choose how you want your data to appear once the condition is met. You can change the text color, background color, or even the font style. Pick something that makes your data stand out clearly. When you're happy with the setup, click Done, and just like that, your custom conditional formatting is live. From now on, your spreadsheet will automatically highlight and format data based on the rules you've set. And that's it. Conditional formatting is such a game changer for analyzing and managing data in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use this tip.